How to change Face ID on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Settings on your device. In Settings, you will find this kind of screen pop up. Simply scroll down to Security and Lock screen and click on it. After that, in here, click on Face Unlock. In Face Unlock, at the top, click on Remove Face Data. And then press on OK, which will remove the data. Now click on Add Face Data. Press on Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. After that, position your face inside the circle. After it's done, simply press on Next at the bottom right, and your Face ID will be changed. This is how to change Face ID on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.